So, kind of a shop update video on what's going on in the yard here. Uh, that's our muskeg tractor. The customer who owned the other one picked it up, took it back. So that one left about a week ago. Same customer owns this airboat. As far as I know, this is ready to go. I just got to do the billing for Dad, and that'll likely be in and out, and there'll be another one. Green Bombardier, completely paid off and ready for pickup. There's only one thing. The customer told us that they wanted a rack like that's on the red Bombardier there. So Dad's got to build the rack for this one. And now that it's actually done and paid for, we're going to put this into the next job for these guys. And then Nina Pinta Santa Maria, full tour of the yard. And then this roll bar came off of the other Bombardier muskeg tractor, and we were gonna reinstall it if another customer wanted to purchase that one, but it's staying here. So the reds hasn't been paid off yet, but it's not too much. The guy will pay for it when he comes through. That's the kind of rack that we got to build for the green Bombardier, which is easy enough. And then got a bunch of trucks and crap around the yard here. This is Dad's garden truck. It's got no brakes on it. That truck is like done for, but it's good for using around the yard. Customer's trailer is kind of in and out right now. It's either being used or it's not. Got a bunch of these old slip tanks here, our fuel tanks. Got to get rid of those at some point. So if you want to buy them, let me know. This is a roller set. I don't know if you guys remember the Minnesota narrow gauge that we had. Anyways, this is what it came in on. The guy left it here. I don't think Dad's ever going to use this. I suggested putting it back together and using it on some of the Bombardiers moving around. Didn't want to do it, so this is where it's staying. That'll be for sale. Dad just got a bunch of brand new diffs. I don't know why, but he got some for wide gauges and some went for narrow gauge. Wants to tinker around with them and get them working. It's more crap around here as far as I'm concerned. We've never, not once, I think in 40 plus Bombardiers, had to replace a diff, but there might be guys out there that want to replace diffs, and well, Dad will be fixing them and put them aside for you. There's a bunch of work around the yard that we got to do here. I want to clean up as much as I can this summer. We got this big box trailer. It's been sitting here for 20 years. Anybody wants to buy it, just give me a call. Sell it to you really cheap. I want to buy Dad a new pressure washer. Our old one is kind of shit to bed. And that whole horse trailer is kind of a parts trailer right now. We want to move that around. Right now it's being used by Charlie as a sunshade. And we've got this school bus here. It's actually converted into a camper trailer. Sell that cheap if anybody wants it. I can do a tour on that later on if anybody wants. Emily is so happy to have her yummies bones. She's going to lay out in the sun, get some sun. Charles, not so much. He's got his yummy bones. He's going to lay in the shade. And little Nina was gone for a couple of days. And just happier than hell to be back to the shop now with their big brother and big sister. And Kitty's inside, and yeah, there's a bunch of stuff I got to clean up around here, guys. We still got to move in another 10 cords of firewood here to clean up all this crap in here and get it moving and out the door. There's this is what's left over from our pile just from this past winter. So it doesn't take much to go through 8-10 cords of wood. And grass is growing pretty crazy here right now. So yeah, so there's lots of work to be done around here. Lots of visitors. Anybody wants to visit Dad, please do. Please come out. He loves visitors. He'll complain about it all the time, but really he loves his visitors and he loves his friends. he had his birthday there the other day, and he's just tickled pink that guys showed up. And we're dog friendly here, so as long as your dog is friendly, our dogs can be friendly too. And yeah, so it's just a you know, a steady summer here going along. Not much else going on, but you guys, some of you guys wanted to know what was going on with some of the equipment here in the yard. So this is just a walkthrough, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.